Creating an account on Grubhub is a straightforward process that allows you to order food from your favorite restaurants. Follow these simple steps to get started quickly. Step 1. Visit the Grubhub website or app. Go to the Grubhub website on your computer or download the Grubhub app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to begin the registration process. Step 3. Enter your information. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Grubhub. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your account and complete the registration process. Step 5. Set up your profile. Once your email is verified, log into your new account. You can now add your delivery address, payment information, and any preferences to enhance your ordering experience. Now you're ready to enjoy delicious meals delivered right to your door. Happy ordering!